Okay, so the girlies wanted to know what hair I use, if it was human hair, and for all of my styles, I include the hair. However, let's get into it because this is an all synthetic hairstyle. Now, I went to my local beauty supply. Hey, girl, that is definitely me. Went to my local beauty supply store, Texture Tech, located right here in Carson. It is black owned. And I love this store so much because they have a reward system. They also have great prices and great customer service. Now, shout out to Rasta Free. I am always using pre-stretch Freedom Silky braid with any of my braid styles, okay? Sometimes I'll switch it up with another Rasta Free package, but that pre-stretch is the go-to. We use the color amber. Yes, this is a great summer color. And also, I purchased 6 packs, but I only use 5. It is a lot of hair that come in these packages, ladies. So do not be fooled. It is always good to be safe than sorry, but you don't need that many packets of hair. And for the curly hair, I used Amazon hair. Now it comes with 3 bundles, but I only used one.